It's the calm after the storm.
A count of how many people you guys had to go.
At the Wahoo Fire Department,
People don't obey.
first responders from across Saunders County hold a meeting Tuesday night to talk about the blizzard.
The 92 plugs up, they divert around to 109, 109 plugs up, and then we got helter skelter.
Emergency crews frustrated with residents who tried to drive during whiteout conditions, as you can see from the camera on a Wahoo fire engine.
The highways were still this morning drifted shut and impassable, and cars were stuck in the drifts because people thought they could make it through.
Yutan Fire Chief Donald Dooley says the volunteer firefighters had to rescue about 36 people who got stuck on Highway 92 alone, even after it was shut down.
People continue to go around barricades. People continue to attempt to manage to go because they thought they had to make it home rather than staying where they were safe.
At least 2 people decided to stay in their stranded car overnight.
We pull them off when it's too bad. So they don't want to go. They're going to sleep in their car. And we may not be able to get out there to pick them up. So they're on their own.
And these rescuers have a polite but stern warning for the next storm.
If roads are announced that they're impassable and it's blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions, please stay home or stay where you're safe, rather than putting our volunteers and everything at risk to come out and find you and rescue you, or putting your own life at risk to freeze to death out there.
The 2 people who spent the night stranded in their car almost ran out of gas, but were told they're okay tonight. And Chief Dooley tells me 4 people they pulled off the highway spent the night at area fire stations. In Wahoo, Michelle Bandour, KETV, Newswatch 7.